In the heart of one of the world's most volatile regions, a nation smaller than New Jersey commands one of the most powerful militaries on earth. Israel, surrounded by decades of hostility, regional rivalries, and existential threats, has achieved what few believed possible. Its military isn't just a shield, it's a symbol of precision, intelligence, and technological dominance. Every weapon, every drone, every missile defense system tells a story of survival, innovation, and relentless adaptation. This is how Israel built the Middle East's most advanced and powerful military. Welcome back to my channel. From the very beginning, Israel understood one harsh reality: to exist in this region, it had to be stronger, faster, and more innovative than any potential enemy. After its birth in 1948, surrounded by hostile neighbors, the country realized that survival couldn't depend on numbers. It had to depend on technology and strategy. The Israeli Defense Forces, the IDF, became a laboratory of necessity where every war, every attack, and every crisis pushed for breakthroughs. The 1967 Six-Day War proved the power of speed and intelligence. The 1973 Yom Kippur War proved the importance of preparation and foresight. From those experiences, Israel built doctrines that blended cyber warfare, air dominance, and intelligence precision into one of the world's most formidable defense structures. With close U.S. partnerships, Israel advanced rapidly, transforming into a global leader in drone warfare, missile defense, and battlefield AI. Each system, from the Iron Dome to the Arrow interceptors, reflects a mindset that sees innovation as survival. But this evolution wasn't just about defense, it was about deterrence, about ensuring that no rival would ever underestimate Israel's reach or resolve. Behind Israel's unmatched military power lies a fusion of intelligence, innovation, and relentless preparation. Every Israeli soldier, engineer, and commander works within a system built on real-time coordination and advanced technology. From space-based surveillance to AI-powered battlefield management, Israel has turned information into its deadliest weapon. The world witnessed this precision in countless covert operations, missions so silent and surgical that they redefine the meaning of modern warfare. The partnership with the United States has been instrumental. American funding, research collaboration, and shared defense intelligence have allowed Israel to perfect systems like the Iron Dome, capable of intercepting rockets with nearly flawless accuracy. But beyond funding, it's the exchange of ideas that turned Israel into a defense powerhouse. Israeli engineers, driven by the constant reality of conflict, focus on adaptability and speed, traits the U.S. military studies closely. From drones to cyber units, Israel's innovations are now embedded in joint military strategies, making the two allies inseparable in defense technology. Yet, Israel's military success is not just built in labs or on air bases. It's born from a mindset of resilience. Military service is mandatory, and that shared experience transforms ordinary citizens into disciplined, tech-minded defenders. Every conflict, whether with Hamas, Hezbollah, or regional militias, becomes another lesson, another step toward perfecting modern combat. But as Israel strengthens, new challenges emerge. The battlefield is no longer limited to deserts or skies. It extends into the digital realm, where cyberattacks and disinformation threaten nations silently. Here, too, Israel leads. Its cyber defense units are among the best in the world, countering attacks before they reach the public eye. This constant state of vigilance keeps Israel's defense machine sharp, proactive, and years ahead of its regional rivals. Today, Israel stands as a regional superpower not because of its size, but because of its vision. Its air force dominates the skies with precision weaponry and stealth fighters, while its intelligence agencies operate with surgical accuracy across borders. From satellites orbiting above to elite commandos on the ground, every element works in unison under a single doctrine: stay ready, stay superior. Israel's military doesn't wait for threats to arrive. It neutralizes them before they take shape. In recent years, global conflicts have reshaped the defense landscape, and Israel has adapted faster than anyone. The lessons of Ukraine, the tensions in the Red Sea, and the growing influence of Iran's proxies have only reinforced Israel's strategic focus, combining artificial intelligence, unmanned warfare, and real-time data into a seamless defense web. Every conflict becomes a testing ground for the future of warfare, and Israel continues to set that future in motion. Its close cooperation with the United States ensures that its advancements don't just protect its borders, but also shape global defense strategies. American forces study Israeli tactics, its use of drones in urban warfare, its cyber defense systems, and its ability to integrate technology with human precision. Israel's defense network has evolved into a blueprint for modern military readiness, one that balances offensive reach with defensive resilience. But behind all the technology and power lies a deeper story: a nation forged in survival, defined by its unity, and driven by an unbreakable will to defend its existence. Every innovation, every mission, every soldier carries that purpose. Israel's military power isn't just built on machines and missiles. It's built on a mindset that turns adversity into dominance and defense into destiny.